7 a.m. almost, and I'm leaving today, so I'm gonna take the boat to go to the capital island, Malé. The sun just rises. Oh, they're doing some yoga, it's nice. Bye bye beautiful white sand. Bye bye the most beautiful blue. And I hope to come back soon here, honestly. Let's go on the boat. Oh, okay, perfect. Let's go on that ferry, Hulhumalé. Morning. Et voilà. I'm on the ferry, public ferry, to go to Malé. There is huge waves at the moment. They have shells on their coin, shell on their bill. They are all individual kind of mini resorts. It's all on building, we can see the cranes. There's so many yachts. Looks like the plane is rolling on the sea behind the yacht, but no, that's the airport actually. So this is the airport island. Here is the bridge to go to Malé, which is the capital. It's where we're going, where the people live and where there is like the capital. While this is more like the airport island. There is also the Harbour on this island and a big clinic, like private clinic. All those buildings there, I don't know who is living there or if there are offices. We find out maybe. dry the fish, like in Cambodia, and salt it. Okay, so this is the fish market. Hello.
Like chest.
What is it? Tuna.
Tuna also, marlin, baffin, light tuna, big tuna, this is the tuna, huge tuna chip.
Ah, this I tried. Okay.
Little soldier.
Oh, well, it's very good actually. Very salty, but very good.
It's like without salt. This one tuna, the same one. Without salt. Right.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thanks for the video. It's nice. Thanks. Sorry. Ah bah voilà, Fisher Harbour. Vegetables. What is this?
Aragnat.
It's like a root.
Yes.
Okay. Here is the vegetable market. Bananas, papaya. Lot of bananas. Oh, I love. Hello. It's okay. I tried already some things.
All local products, traditional items. This smoked tuna is the breadfruit, sweet potato, yam chips, tuna powder, tuna fish, vegetarian cheese ball, and yam, and super tasty food, and samosa. You can try coconut bounty. You can try. This coconut bounty.
Coconut bounty.
Yeah. No sugar, no chemicals. Young coconut.
Wow,
and
it's
this
so
is
good.
Coconut honey mirchi, cocos honey. No chemicals, no sugar. Long term have this one 1 year. The time have 1 year. 1223. 100% pureness.
You have small one, just one.
One have this. And this is the spicy.
I will take. How much is it?
15 rupiah. 15
Okay.
rupiah. $1 and $1. This is also different taste. This is also coconut cream. Right.
This is so good.
1 year. This is also long term 3 months. This is young coconut, rice powder, and coconut white sugar head, multiple sugar. Very good taste.
I prefer this. I'm gonna take this one.
Also this banana chip,
This I have.
cinnamon, cardamom powder, cinnamon, cardamom powder, and so on.
This is okay. 15. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Alors now, so I bought this bounty coconut. Here is a banana corner. Papaya. So many oil and everything. Wow. All the vegetables come by plane, Indigo. Sorry. Hi. What is it? What is this? It's like a big cucumber. Or... Yeah, it's like cucumber. Impressive. Pineapple.
No pineapple.
No, it's okay. I just do the visit. Thank you so much. Ah, the forbidden fruit.
Hello.
Hello. I have bounty. Hello. It's okay. I have already bought this. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Hello. I'm very good, thanks. Hi, guys. Fish market. So it was nice to not take the speedboat, to do this little visit behind the scene of the Maldives. It's really interesting. All the speedboats. Room for rent. Crazy, they have everything. Such a small island. Looks like south of France. Seaside, city vibe. Lot of trees. Here, normally, the big mosque. Oh. Yeah, we can see the dome. Notice, no Muslim may enter the premise of between sometimes. But anyways, I'm wearing a short, so I can't go. Islamic Center, Ministry of Islamic Affairs, and the mosque, obviously. Some militaries. I'm not gonna film. So windy. So I will explore a little bit and then go to the harbor. Because I would like to find a job here on a boat for do the charter. So I'm gonna go on the harbor to try to find some contact, because apparently it's impossible to work as a girl, or very difficult, on the local boat, but maybe on the foreign boats. So I'm gonna have to find the foreign boats. And yeah, Maldives National Defense Force. So it's just this white wall here, it's the Ministry of Defense. Maldives Islamic Bank. So I'm gonna walk to the ferry to take the ferry for $1 that goes to the airport, and from there try to go to the harbor, or maybe I'm gonna ask someone actually how to go to the harbor, because the harbor is like after the airport but on the same island. We should see. Well, it's just a harbor, lots of boats, and on the other side lots of buildings, and that's it. Impressive. Looks like Paris. This place seems to be open 24 hours, so that's good to know. If you have nowhere to go, you can probably stay there. Of course, they have a Burger King, of course. My God. So Burger King was $12 for sandwich, $15 for a menu. And on the island I found a very good restaurant called the Sand Bar, and everything was between $8 and $14, and it was so good. So every day I was spending there for dinner, because my breakfast was included, so I was not I was eating only once a day, enfin once at breakfast and once at dinner, and I spent every time on the dinner $13 with the drink, and also sometimes a little brownie for another $3, so it was not too bad. So no, Ministry of Economic Development. Okay, where the f is a boat? Maybe it's here. Ew, I'm a proper backpacker, straight out of Nepal. Ah, voilà, it's here. Hi.
Excuse me, do you know maybe how it works?
No, but
Okay.
Oh, just take a ticket.
Maybe I will just. Do you go maybe to Mafushi?
Ah, no. I go to airport.
To airport. Okay. So
But for you, you should go there. You want to take the local ferry.
yeah.
So you have to walk there and. One more boat. So I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hulhumalé. I just spent $8. I made a little prayer. Visit of the consumerism empire. Here it's the scene area. $15.